Power BI versus Tableau, the question every aspiring analyst asks. In this video I'll compare them honestly on the things that actually matter, and by the end you'll know which one to learn first. Stay for the questions. We'll compare them on ease of learning, price, visualization power, data modeling, the surrounding ecosystem, and job demand. 6 angles, 1 clear recommendation at the end. First, the big picture. Both Power BI and Tableau are top-tier business intelligence tools. Both connect to your data, build interactive dashboards, and help you tell a story with numbers. You can't go wrong learning either. Ease of learning. Power BI feels natural if you already know Excel. It's from Microsoft and shares that DNA. Tableau is famously drag and drop and visualization first, which many people find intuitive for exploring data. Price is a real difference. Power BI is cheaper, with a capable free desktop version and low per-user pricing. Tableau tends to cost noticeably more per user, which is why budget-conscious teams often lean Power BI. Quick check. Which of the two is usually cheaper and made by Microsoft? A. Tableau. Or B. Power BI? Easy one if you were listening. The answer is B. Power BI. It's Microsoft's tool, generally cheaper, and has a free desktop version that's genuinely useful for learning and small projects. On pure visualization, Tableau still has an edge for advanced, highly custom visuals and exploratory analysis. But Power BI is strong and improving fast. For most business dashboards the difference is small. Under the hood, Power BI leans on a data model and a formula language called DAX, which is powerful but has a learning curve. Tableau uses calculated fields and level of detail expressions. Both let you build serious logic. Ecosystem matters more than people expect. Power BI plugs straight into Excel, Teams, and Azure, so it's everywhere in Microsoft shops. Tableau is owned by Salesforce and fits well where Salesforce and cross-platform tooling rule. What about jobs? Both are in heavy demand. Power BI dominates a huge share of enterprises thanks to Microsoft licensing, while Tableau stays strong in analytics-first companies. Check job posts in your target market to see which wins locally. Now decide. Your team already lives in Excel and Azure, and the budget is tight. Which tool do you pick, and why? Think about cost, ecosystem, and ramp-up time, then comment your call below. How long to get job ready in either tool? A few focused weeks gets you building real dashboards, with months to truly master the advanced features. Most Excel users find Power BI a little faster to start with. Thinking about the job market or freelancing? Power BI dominates corporate and small business work, especially anywhere Microsoft already lives. Tableau stays strong in large, analytics-heavy teams. The smartest move is to search job posts in your own market and count which one shows up more. Another quick check. Which of the two uses a formula language called DAX? A. Tableau. Or B. Power BI? The answer is B. Power BI. It uses DAX for measures and calculated columns. Tableau does its logic with calculated fields and level of detail expressions. Different syntax, same goal. And here's the reassuring part. The core concepts, joining data, writing measures, and designing a clean dashboard, all transfer between the two. Learn one properly and picking up the second later is quick. You are not locked in. Here's the honest verdict. Don't agonize, learn one deeply, because the concepts, joins, measures, and dashboard design transfer between them. If you're in an Excel and Azure, budget-aware world, start with Power BI. If you need advanced visuals or live in Salesforce, choose Tableau. Recap. Power BI is cheaper, Excel-friendly, and uses DAX. Tableau is visualization first, Salesforce-owned, and premium. Both get you hired, so pick one and go deep. If this cleared it up, subscribe. The next video is the full 2026 Data Analyst Roadmap, every skill in order. Now comment which one you're choosing and why. See you there.